plastic bag. Put it in the oven. It can be baked at 190 degrees Celsius for 4 hours. 210 degrees for 2 hours. Not only intact, but there is also no release of harmful substances. It can also pass the strict testing of the European standards. This is our Oven Zenith Bag. The Oven Zenith Bag is made of a special material. Not only can it withstand high temperatures, it also has high barrier properties. It effectively blocks moisture and oxygen from penetrating, ensures extreme freshness, preserves the original taste and flavor of the ingredient. Just pack the seasoned ingredients in this bag. Put it in the oven. Deliciousness to the stomach in one simple step. Clean up after you are done. Makes cleaning the kitchen so much easier. A single bag is all you need for packaging, transporting, storing, cooking, and all other processes. It is suitable for a wide range of vacuum heat sealing equipment. The seal is firm and beautiful. It can effectively prevent the flavors from escaping during cooking of fresh meat, poultry, seafood, bread. Anything is possible. Meeting your diverse needs. Oven Zenith bags are about to change our lives in the kitchen. Tedious cooking made easy, leaving more time for an easy life. EPAC Group provides you with professional one-stop service for food packaging solutions.
Thank you.